Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I want to show you how I am going to revamp my TNs. What I have done was I purchased some weekly planner. I got these from the Dollar Tree, and this is what they look like. And this is actually a really good size for my B6 planners. My B6 traveler's notebooks or TNs. And all I did was to take the little plastic part. Well, let me do it this way. Just take this little plastic part off, and I just rip them like this because I don't want to take the chance on ripping this, which wouldn't really be a big deal. And this is what you have left. Alright, so I'm just going to remove one of the signatures, and this was the first one. However you want to do it, it's really up to you. So like I said, I just took out the first signature, and what I'm going to do with the signature itself is package it by itself. So I have a binder clip. Oh, first of all, I put in one of those clear pockets right here, and I made the page marker out of scraps. The butterfly is from some scraps as well, so Martha Stewart butterfly punch, and I laminated the whole thing. I'm just going to add it in here like this. Okay, I have a black binder clip. I just clip it on here. I might have to adjust it, and I kind of dressed up the pen a bit with some of the paper that was scraps, and I'm just going to put this on like so. And this will be packaged by itself. I thought I had some that would fit, and I thought these would fit, but these will not fit this at all. It's smidgen too small. But what these will fit are these. These are the ones that you get in the pack 3 for $1. That I'm gonna kind of do the same thing, and these will fit in these and package real nicely. So let me see. I've done. This is going to be the topper. It's going to look like this, nothing fancy. I just cut a piece of the scrap paper. Again, I think this was 4 inches by 5 inches. And I used some decorative scissors to just cut like a trim, or make the edges a little decorative. I used the envelope punch to make a little bow right here, decorative bow, and I put a little piece of bling in there, which I've had in my stash for probably over a year. And once it's all packaged, it'll look like this. Oh, let me see. Let's put it down this way. And I think that'll be kind of cute. You know what I mean? There we go. Just about like that. So it'll package up real nicely. Now that's the first part. That's the easy part. Well, heck, all of it's easy if you really want to if you really want to talk about it. It's all easy. So the next part will be covering the planner. And like I said, this is one of the weekly planners that you get at Dollar Tree, and it actually starts the last day of December 2018 and goes through all of 2019. Yeah, all of 2019. So I've already taken the book, another one, and I've put double-sided stick tape on it. I cut out a piece of paper that I had left over, and I think this is like 10.5 by maybe 8, because I went a 1/2 inch, at least a 1/2 inch. Yeah, that's 8 inches. and it's 10.5. So it's 10.5 by 8, with whichever way you want to position it, so that you can, so that your graphic, if you have graphics on it, or if it's printed, how it will look. And I just kind of folded it a little bit, not a lot, because I didn't want to crease in here, just a bend, because you know this is not flat at all. So let me see if I can take these off in a timely manner. Get these off here. So I'm just pulling the backings off with this double-sided stick tape. Okay, are you done? Come on, just one little piece left. Okay, and so now, like I said, make sure it's right side up. Make sure the graphic is going the way that I want it to go, and that's good. And I'm just going to sit it like right here in the middle, making sure I have enough room on the top and bottom. Sit it down and mash, just like so. And guess what? It's covered. So let me find my scissors. Here they are. And I'm just going to trim this. And you know what? I wish this was rounded, and I could actually take time out to round the corners on all of these, but I'm not going to. Not gonna happen. And it's not perfect because I'm doing this on camera, of course. And I can go back and trim up some little bit later. But for right now, it's pretty good. And we have the signature all done. And let's put it in the TN that it's going in. And I usually have my shaker window with this little miniature shaker dashboard right there. And let's open this up to about the middle. We'll put this in here. There we go. Now, so now we have the TN with a planner piece right here and 2 ruled signatures as opposed to just 3 ruled signatures. Okay, and I think that is going to do it for this video. Like I said, this was an easy peasy one, real simple. Oh, you know what, let me do one other thing. I found these in my stash, and I had punched these out a while ago. I had some scrap of this paper, and I thought it was such pretty paper that I didn't want to just throw it out. You know, if I could do something with it, I was. And I punched out a bunch of hearts. So guess what? I got these dollar store paper clips where you get 80 for $1. I punched these out, and I'm going to make a paper clip. And I'm just going to put some hot glue here. Put this paper clip in here like so. Just put a little bit more hot glue on this other side right here for me. Trying to work fast and mash into place. And I did, it's crooked of course, but it's on here. And this actually will be added to this, since we already have a page marker anyway. You know, and I just put this in the pocket right here, so they will at least know that it's a pocket. And I will put the paper clip like this right here, go. Let's see, it's blocking. Let me put something to one side. Let me put this to this side over here, and I'll put this clip to like the side right there, so they both can be seen. Okay, there we go. I think that's kind of cute. Put the pen back on, about right there, and there you have it. Another item to be sold at my craft fair, and what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to sell these $3 a piece or 2 for $5. I think that's what I'm going to do. The TNs themselves are $25, and I don't think I'm going to go down on the price even if they don't sell well. I don't think I would, because I put absolutely too much time and effort into these, and I will market them somewhere to get them sold. And like I say, these will go $3 a piece or 2 for $5. Alright guys, I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, little bugs.